Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you how to make a chocolate roulade, which is a nice dessert which is quick and easy and you don't have to bake it. For this we're only going to need a few ingredients. We're going to need some baking cocoa, some margarine, or you can also use butter, icing sugar, some milk arrowroot biscuits, or you can also use any tea or coffee biscuits, non-stick baking paper, and we're going to also need some fine desiccated coconut. We're going to start by mixing the dry ingredients of the chocolate layer, and we're going to start by crushing the milk arrowroot biscuits that we had. To that we're going to add 160 grams of icing sugar, 3 tablespoons of the baking cocoa, and we're going to mix it. To this we're going to add 2 whole large eggs. Or if you don't wish to use the egg yolk, or you're not comfortable with eating raw egg yolk, then you can use 4 egg whites. And we're going to add half a tablespoon of vanilla essence. We're going to mix it using our hands, and we should have a nice doughy mixture. And then once it's mixed well, at this point we would add some rum to this chocolate mixture, but because we don't use rum, we've just replaced it with some coconut or almond essence. And we need to add enough so that it turns into a Play-Doh like texture, so it's a nice dough but it's a little bit soft as well. Now we're going to put some icing sugar on a non-stick baking tray, and we're going to place the chocolate layer on top, and we're going to roll it out until it's about ½ an inch thick and completely flat. This step is quite difficult, and if you don't have enough icing sugar on your paper, it can stick. So once it's flattened out, we're just going to put it aside, and we're going to start on the white layer of the roulade. And for this we have 200 grams of icing sugar, 100 grams of the desiccated coconut, and 100 grams of the margarine or the butter. And using our hands once again, we're going to mix it. And we're going to mix it until it's the same consistency as a chocolate layer. And we're just going to place it on top and then roll it out. This is a little bit difficult to do, and it can be a little bit time consuming, but if you take the time to ice it and use non-stick baking paper, it will turn out quite easily. Now we're going to roll the 2 layers that we have placed on top of each other, and you'll notice that the icing sugar has a nice white look. And now that we've completely rolled it, we're going to cut off the edges so it looks nice and neat. Once it's rolled out and we're happy with how much we've cut it, we would normally put it in the fridge for about 24 hours and then it's ready to eat after 24 hours. But because we want to show you what it looks like, once we've cut it, we're going to sprinkle some icing sugar on top. And we're going to make sure it's completely white all the way around. Then we're going to roll it in the non-stick baking paper and then roll it in some Glad wrap so it stays nice and moist in the fridge. And we're going to leave it in the fridge for 24 hours or overnight. And our chocolate roulade is now ready. We hope you've enjoyed watching this recipe. Bajias Cooking is also available on Facebook for any questions or comments you may have. Give it a try. Good luck. Thanks for watching.